All right, check this out, how this system works. So it's locked here and my payload is hanging. Let me just hold it. It's a heavy helicopter. Ready? We will drop it now. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for all your support on my Instagram. Follow Ali-24 RC on Instagram. People commented and asked, can this helicopter lift a tank? And I said, your wish is my command. Why not? This is gonna be fun. So check this out. I let AI pop some of the STLs for these beautiful tanks and some of the cargo stuff. But I went ahead and I have designed this servo payload lock and release system for two different servos, 21mm wide and 23mm wide. So you have two different choices of servos to use with this one. You can have it as an open one, just a base, very easy to stick, or use screws for self-tapping screws to install on your RC aircraft. Or if you like something very hidden, you have this choice right here for both sides of servos, where you can install a servo inside, okay, and then adjust and lock the lid on. All right, so it will be a concealed one. Here is the helicopter with servo payload delivery locking and release system installed right under this helicopter. So I will be able to lift one of these tanks, fly them somewhere in my yard, and deliver where the mission needs. Now, if you want to add this servo payload lock and release system on your RC helicopters, links are in video description. Have fun.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.